Welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering an urgent security update from Apple that affects millions of devices. Apple has just released emergency patches for iOS, iPadOS, and macOS, addressing a critical vulnerability in its WebKit engine, a key component used by Safari, Mail, and many other apps. The flaw, identified as CVE 2025-24201, involved an out-of-bounds write issue in WebKit. In simple terms, this vulnerability could allow malicious web content to bypass the system's security sandbox, potentially letting attackers execute unauthorized code on your device. Although Apple initially addressed a similar issue in iOS 17.2, it appears that sophisticated attackers exploited this weakness on older versions, prompting the need for a new patch. This isn't the first time Apple has had to act quickly this year. It's now the third major security update of 2025, following earlier patches that fixed other high-risk vulnerabilities. The latest updates are iOS 18.3.2 for iPhones, iPadOS 18.3.2 for iPads, and macOS Sequoia 15.3.2 for Macs. Apple has also extended these critical updates to other platforms. For instance, Apple Vision Pro users will receive an update with visionOS 2.3.2, and Safari has been updated to version 18.3.1 on supported macOS systems. To stay protected, it's essential to update your device immediately. For iPhones and iPads, simply head over to Settings, tap on General, and then select Software Update to install the latest version. Mac users should open System Settings, click on General, and choose Software Update to get macOS Sequoia 15.3.2. Looking ahead, there's buzz that Apple is preparing its next generation of operating systems, iOS 19, iPadOS 19, and macOS 16, expected to debut later this year. These future updates might feature a complete redesign alongside enhanced security measures, including AI-powered tools that can detect and block emerging threats in real time. In summary, if you're using an Apple device, update as soon as you can. Keeping your software current is one of the best defenses against cyber attacks, especially as hackers continue to develop increasingly sophisticated methods. Thank you for watching. If you found this update useful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech news and insights. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.